Swahili to English sentences. Sentensi za Kiswahili Kiingereza. Number 1. Kristo amefufuka. Christ is resurrected. Number 2. Alpha na Omega. Alpha and Omega. Number 3. Wageni walio arikwa. The invited guests. Number 4. Nitakukopesha alimradi utaahidi kulipa mwisho wa mwezi. I will lend you provided you promise to pay me by the end of the month. Number 5. Weka amana. Put in pawn.
Dear visitor, don't miss the coming class, but also don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.